Hello everyone, Marisa from YOQI here, and I just wanted to take a moment to extend a huge heartfelt gratitude to all of you for subscribing to the YOQI YouTube channel and being a part of the YOQI community. When I launched YOQI in 2017, I had the vision of creating beautiful and accessible Qigong videos for people to watch and practice around the world. Today, YOQI has grown into a complete method of energy transformation and a school with certified YOQI instructors teaching around the world. Over the next year, we're going to be launching many new exciting projects at YOQI, and I'll be posting new videos on YouTube. I know you're all looking forward to that. In the meantime, I also would like to explore new ways of connecting with the YOQI global community. The first is I'm going to launch a series of live online seasonal workshops, and we're going to begin with late summer. Late summer is the earth element, and the earth is the mother of all the elements. So this is a time of year that really lays the foundation of your health for the whole rest of the year, especially autumn and winter, which are flu season coming up. So we want to have a strong immune system. We want to get nice and grounded, clear the mind, and set our intention. And that's what we're going to do in this workshop. Another cool thing is that during the online workshop, you're going to have the opportunity to share or ask questions and interact with me live. I'm really excited to meet you and share these practices with you online. You can register at yoqi.com or click the link in the description above, and I look forward to seeing you there.